Noah, what an incredible afternoon. I think as far as comebacks go, that's how to do them.
Before I start, I just want to congratulate Lucy, Steph and Stacey on great careers. They've been unbelievable for the league and Wales, for women's football in Wales. So huge congratulations to them. And I said before the game, Swansea are going to be a great opponent, and they were. It took so much character, so much. We spoke at half-time about pride and passion, and I know we conceded 2 after half-time, but you saw that pride and passion towards, from the 60th minute onwards, we were brilliant, and I'm just so...
Nicely done, Noah, nicely done.
So proud, yeah. And the staff deserve it as well.
I mean, at 3-0 down, can I ask, what did you say to them? Because to concede 2 so early into the second half as well, that could have been enough to send anyone's heads down, but you just kept going.
Yeah, we made a couple of tweaks, 2 subs and a tactical tweak, and it was just about belief. We spoke a lot about belief at half-time, and it was just about belief. We believed we could get back into it, and we were saying on the bench, it's a momentum, and at one point we just needed that shot, or we needed that goal, and unfortunately it came, and then it's just momentum. So really, really proud.
How disappointed were you though to be 3-0 down at that point, and with the goals that you conceded? You probably perhaps didn't expect that coming out here today.
I don't know about expectation. Like I said before the game, Swansea are a good side, really, really good side. So I don't know about expectation, but it was just about the goals were poor to concede. But like I said, momentum. We had the momentum towards the end of the game. They had the momentum for a lot of the start of the second half, especially. I thought the first half was quite even. So that's just football. And
I think what we've really seen today here, Noah, is some incredible demonstrations of real character that's brought you through all the way to the end there.
Yeah, my huddle before the pens wasn't about pens. It wasn't about that. I just said, I'm so proud. I said the character you've shown, so the words you said, character, is exactly right. The character you've shown and the passion and pride to get back in the game. And yeah, that's exactly it.
Certainly not a bad start as a manager for a boy that supported this club since day one. Llongyfarchiadau mawr. Enjoy the celebration.
Diolch, thank you very much.